Good morning. Welcome to the TITAN Usje, part of the TITAN Group. How can I help you today? Of course. Please take your login card. You will take your personal protective equipment from the health and safety room. Once you have your personal protective equipment, you can proceed directly to the control room. Remember, safety first. Welcome to the health and safety room. Please take your personal protective equipment. Are you ready to get started? You'll need a helmet. Pick it off the bench. Perfect. You are one step closer to being ready. Next, don't forget your safety glasses. They are essential to protect your eyes. Nice. You are now protected. Next, you'll need a reflective jacket. Pick it from the table. Almost there. The last step is your protective gloves and shoes. Make sure you get both. Great! You are now fully equipped. Let's do a quick check. Helmet, safety glasses, safety jacket, gloves and shoes. Everything is ready. Fantastic! You are ready to go to the control room. Remember, safety is your top priority. If you ever forget a piece of equipment, I'll be here to remind you. Have a safe and successful shift. Welcome to the control room. An important task awaits you today. Rotary kilns for the production of clinker occupy the central part of the equipment used for the production of cement. TITAN Usje has two rotary kilns, Kiln 3 and Kiln 4, that work on a dry process. The Kiln 4 appears to have an axial upward motion problem that we need to correct. You already noticed that there is a deviation in the position, right? Well noted. The axial movement should stay within 50-60 millimeters to avoid damage. To shift the kiln to the upper position, place graphite plates on the second support station and remove them from the first and third. Good luck. I hope you can solve the problem quickly. Follow the instructions carefully, and everything will be fine. Welcome to Kiln 3. The kiln is 64 meters long. It has an inner radius of 4.2 meters, and it rotates C at a speed of about 2 rotations per minute during normal operation. It is also inclined event with a slope of 3%. Right. So, let's get back to the task at hand. As we discussed before, the kiln appears to have an axial upward motion problem that we need to correct. First, we need to place the graphite plates on the second support section. Let's get to it. Now grab the graphite plates and place them near the wall. Work. You did an excellent job. Thank you for using Virtual Talent Navigator. See you soon.